Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to motion blur part of an image in Photoshop. So let's begin. First open your image, then press Ctrl J for duplicate layer. Use selection tool like rectangular marquee tool, lasso tool or quick selection tool. Example, use rectangular marquee tool, then select. Go to filter tab, blur, and now find motion blur. Choose your distance for motion blur. Click OK. Press Ctrl D for remove selection. Click on the eraser tool, right click, opacity, then draw sum. Change selection, then draw. That's it. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.